Google Wallet versus Samsung Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, we will compare Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet. When comparing Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet, both offer convenient digital wallet solutions, but they cater to slightly different needs and ecosystems. Google Wallet is a cross-platform digital wallet that works on Android devices and integrates well with the Google ecosystem. It supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit and debit cards, loyalty cards, boarding passes, and even public transit cards in some areas. Google Wallet provides easy access to payments and is widely supported across Android devices, making it a great choice for anyone in the Google ecosystem. Its integration with Google Pay ensures smooth and secure transactions with robust security features like fingerprint authentication. Samsung Wallet, on the other hand, is designed specifically for Samsung users and works best with Samsung devices like the Galaxy phones, tablets, and wearables. It integrates with Samsung Pay and can store payment cards, loyalty cards, and even Samsung-specific features like Samsung Rewards. It also supports contactless payments and offers enhanced security through Samsung Knox. Samsung Wallet allows users to sync their cards seamlessly across their Samsung devices, providing a more tailored experience for Samsung users. In my opinion, Google Wallet is the better choice for Android users who want a universal solution that works across a range of devices. Samsung Wallet is the best option for Samsung users who want a more integrated experience with their Samsung device and services. Your choice largely depends on the ecosystem you're invested in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.